Okay, I've got a few questions people's asking about how to feed young birds. When they come out the incubator, how do you feed them? This is how I do it, so I'm making a short little video to show you how to do it. So hopefully this will help you. If you got any more questions, put it in the comments. All right, thank you. Thanks for watching my channel. Okay, this video is about feed and what to use when you start your birds. This video is about chickens and quail. There's some little chickens in there. There's the brood box there, got a bunch of quail in it. Okay. Now what I do is, you don't use the same feed for the quail and the chickens. Okay. A lot of people know that, a lot of people don't. If you're just starting out, you don't know that. Okay, I went to a local hardware store around here, and they sell feed in bags. Okay, little bags like this. Let's say a pound of feed. Okay. They're telling everybody use the same feed for quail and for chickens. Okay, so they're selling you chicken feed for quail. And it's, I think it's 16%, something like that. Okay. That's fine for chickens, but not for quail. Quail grow fast, they need a lot more protein. Okay, so a friend of mine who buys from that feed store, buys a pound or two at a time, doesn't buy a bag, and you don't see what you're getting. And they bought the feed for the quail. Now, they took their quail and they put them in the incubator a day before I did. So all our birds came out. They was born a day before mine, more or less, and then my quail were born. Okay, now the quail almost, they're 2.5 weeks old. And my birds are twice the size of theirs. Now, our birds came from the same place. Okay, the same eggs from the same person. Okay, and my quail are twice their size. And I'm fixing to show you my quail in a little while. And I think the reason is, see, I'm giving them 30% game bird. Okay, now they thought they were getting game bird, but evidently they're not. They're giving them chicken feed for game bird feed. You don't want to do that. Now, what I do is I take, this is crumbles, okay, and you say this says quail, okay. So what I do is I take the crumbles and I put them in a coffee grinder, a regular off-the-shelf coffee grinder from Walmart, and I grind, put a little bit in there, and I do 5 seconds. Okay, these are crumbles, but I still grind them. Now what'll happen is the bird can eat them a lot easier, okay, and the birds will grow a lot faster. And it works, I'll tell you it does. So I always grind the feed until they get feathered out and grown, then they get the regular crumbles, okay. I do the same thing with the chicken feed. Now this is medicated chicken feed, okay. This just goes to the chickens. That's also been ground in this coffee grinder, okay. So you don't feed them the same food, okay. Now, here's my chickens. Move this off of here. This is a little brood box. I got another video on how I make these brood boxes. Okay. These chickens are doing good. They're eating chicken feed. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A lot of times they'll run over for me to pick them up. And once I start picking them up, the rest of them will come over to be picked up. Don't fight. Come on. I'll pick you up too. Good bird. Hey, that one got picked up. Now you notice how I'm picking them up? You come under you don't come down like a predator and don't grab them. Okay? You'll scare them. Just offer them your hand and they'll start enjoying being picked up. Come on. That's Rhode Island Red. This one's fighting to get up here. Come on. Oh, we got two at one time. This is an all black chicken. His daddy was all black. Okay. Now these have the same daddy, but different mamas. Okay. So that's what we do with feed. Let's take a look at those quail. I'll show you. Now quail are twice as big as their quail. Born at the same time out of the same eggs. Okay. Oh. And like I said, the reason is they're getting 30% protein. Alright. These birds are not jumbos, these are regular quail. These birds are 2.5 weeks old. Okay. And I put them a lot of feed. Okay. And they definitely eat it. And a lot of water. I change the water twice a day. You see how big those birds are getting? They're big for 2.5 weeks. Okay. And I think it's because it's 30% protein, which they thought they were feeding there at 30% protein. And I ground up the crumbles. That's my thought. Okay, but my birds, how can my birds be twice as big? It's the same, out of the same eggs. Theirs was only born a day before mine. I think somebody's shorting them on the feed. Okay. Now, like I said, they're buying a pound or two at a time. When they run by the hardware store, instead of buying a sack, they didn't have room to put a sack. But you're better off just buying a sack. That's 30%. So, any questions? That's what I've had people send me, ask me questions on what feed do I give as babies when they come out of the incubator. Okay. Crumbles that have been ground up 5 seconds each batch in my little coffee grinder. Okay. Another thing I've had few people talking about is this rock. That's a reptile rock. And they work great. And the birds love it. Okay. Also, it has heat lamps, as you can see. There's heat lamps on both these produce. Okay. I have a top just like that other one over there. In fact, I got a video showing how I made these real inexpensive brood boxes. Easy to clean. Okay. Back to the rock. People talk about the rock and they say it's not good and all that stuff. Well, the rock works great. Okay, just when the birds are starting to hatch out, okay, when you're on lockdown, the birds are hatching out, plug it in. Plug in your rock. Let your rock go 12 to 24 hours, let it warm up. Okay, you don't want to put the bird in right away because they can get burnt. Anyway, it's got to do that. Now, I wean them off of this rock, and what I'll do is, they got a ways to go. They got to get a few feathers. When they start flying, I'm going to put that top on, as you see there. Okay, so to wean them off the rock, I just move the feet to the back, way to the back end, and the water, and it encourages them to get off the rock. And then once they get feathered up and they feathered out, and they're getting ready to grow in the grow pen. I don't just take them and put them outside in the grow pen. My grow pen, I got another video on that, how I made it, standalone, all wire grow pen, and it's under my chicken coop. Okay, it's portable, of course. No wood. It's all wire. But anyway, what I'll do is I'll unplug the rock and let the rock cool down. Okay, and just leave it in there. I'll just unplug it. Now, the birds will. I'm going to leave the light now. I'm going to leave that light. All right, and then a few days later. Whoa, stretching. A few days later, I'm going to. I hope it's she. A few days later, I'll move the birds out of the brood. These brood boxes are very easy to clean, very inexpensive. Look at my other videos and I'll show you how I make them. I can make a brood box for under 10 bucks. Now, of course, that's not including the light, just the rock and the feeders and all that. But instead they eating it, they love the crumbles, but you got to grind them up. And you'll find your birds are going to grow faster. They're going to do better if you grind them up with that little coffee grinder. So that's just all about feed. That's how I do it. That's how we do it here. Use the correct feed for the birds. Okay. Don't get by with try to get by with buying chicken feed. Just chicken feed or just quail feed if you have chickens and quail. Okay. Do like I say. Get the game bird. Okay. For your quail and start a grower medicated. I always like that for my chickens. Okay, this is not my first rodeo, so I've done it a few times. And I like to grow the reptile rock. And I like to get them. They start to get rambunctious. When they start to fly and they're about ready to fly out of there, that's when I take the top. I got another top, like I said, like that. That's when I'll put the top. Okay. I got a whole video on how to do that. But they're starting to move around. These birds are 3 days old, and they're growing fast. Okay. Now, a chicken's not gonna grow fast as a quail. Quails grow real fast. But if you want your chickens healthy, you want them growing good, grind up your crumbles. Put them in that coffee grinder. You're gonna see you ain't gonna believe the difference. Like I said, this ain't my first rodeo. I've been doing this for a long time. And I just put this little cardboard over to kind of keep the heat in there because it's been kind of cool in this room. It's a patio room full of windows. Okay. That's windows from one end to the other. And the cold gets in here. This is my guitar. This is my practice room. I play music professionally. And you see there's windows all over the place. Okay. So it gets kind of cool in here. So that's why I have this little cardboard. Anyway, that's what we do about feed. Okay, I've had several people ask me questions on it. So hopefully this answers everything. It's how I do it. It works for me. You may do it a different way. You may know somebody else does it a different way. If it works for them, great. This works for me, and I find I'll compare my birds against any other birds as far as the growth and the amount of time. Just by doing this simple thing. Grind the feed, grind the crumbles. When do I stop grinding the crumbles? I'll do it until they pretty much feathered out. Okay? I'll do it for a while. They can eat better, they'll digest it better. Okay? And like I said, this is the way I do it, and it works for me. Alright, that's how we do it here. How we feed our little boys and girls. Hopefully, mostly little girls.